Hey guys, it's Shelly, and if you love cooking like I do, but you absolutely despise the hassle of shredding meat, let me show you favorite kitchen gadget. It's the chicken shredder. This thing is a total game changer for anyone who makes pulled pork, shredded chicken, or even pet food. It's got like an ergonomic handle for easy twisting and super strong anti-slip base that stays put during use, and a transparent lid so you can actually see the shredding process as you twist it. Using this tool actually could it not be easier. You just toss in your cooked meat and then you twist the lid and you watch the magic happen. The sharper spikes and like the upgraded shred structure make shredding super effective, so you'll save so much time compared to doing it by hand. It's perfect for making chicken salad. I've done tacos, barbecue sandwiches, burritos, you name it. Cleanup is a breeze too. It's made from BPA free food grade plastic that's heat resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, so it won't melt in the dishwasher. Whether you're a home cook, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who loves easy cooking hacks like me as a mom of two growing boys, this chicken shredder tool is a must have. And trust me, you are going to love this thing just as much as I do.